All right, Nickoy, pretty much a disappointing result. We saw that. But in the second half, you guys came out and played a lot better. What was the difference between the first half and the second half?
I think True start out slow. That's why. So when coach talk to it, they will say, "Yo, get into the game, pass more ball, and I hit that. So come to get back a goal."
But overall, as I said, the result is not necessarily the best.
Mm.
But the principles are what the coach is trying to do. As you can see that you guys are instilling. You think a year from now, you guys will have that principle pat down?
Definitely, definitely. True that. All right, they are young, so they will learn from their mistakes. So by next year, yeah, I see one of the best team them in our Money Cup
All right, that sounds good. And for you, what's your personal goal this season in the Manning Cup?
to go over 15 goals. Yeah, and
Working hard towards that?
yeah, 5 I'm gone already. So
That's bad. Basically, based off the position you play, do you see any football and international level that said that is the player that I really emulate or want to play like?
Neymar,
Neymar.
yeah.
Hey, Neymar talented. You have them talent, eh?
What do you mean?
Good. Like confidence. Like confidence. Based off the fact that you want to be like Neymar. How long before we see you in the national team, the senior team? We're not talking about a youth team, we're talking about the senior team. Just give us a date where you think, our year span, you think you might make it.
Next 3, 5.
3 to 5 years.
Yeah,
By then, you're supposed to master your craft.
yeah, man.
As a player, give me one aspect of your game you think that you need to improve on.
I mean, my first touch. Yeah, cause I have the pace, I have the skill. That's my first touch I can. So that one need to work on.
So that means you need to do some personal work. Are you the type of player who do personal work away from what the coach tell you to do?
All day,
All day.
all day.
All right, give us an update now in regards to school. I want to give a highlight in regards to school and so how is school for you in managing school and also playing football?
Good, it's good. I already have a scholarship from DGCL last year, so I'm okay.
That's really good.
Got all my subjects this year, so I have like eight subjects, so I'm okay.
That's really good. That means how difficult is it balancing school and also football?
It's not difficult at all. You just have to put your mind to it, and you'll get it done.
All right, love how you speak. Brilliant confidence and keep it good work.
All right.
And keep it schoolwork as well.
Yeah, man.
Bless up. So 5 years from now,
Yeah, man.
Reggae Boys,
Yeah, man.
bless up here.